My name is Joy Chelagat. I'm a journalist by training and also a digital media trainer. Today we're here in Gusii to support CCOM in their very thoughtful intervention to bring together people who are working to fight FGM in the community and sexual gender-based violence within the community, drawn from the different media houses and also drawn from different influencers and people who actually work within the community. So today we talked about how can we use digital and social media to campaign for these issues. We also talked about the challenges that women face, particularly women who are in public office, around online violence as well, because we've seen a very increased incidence of that. Our hope for this training is that we will build better synergies between the journalists and the people who are advocating for the rights of those who have been abused in one way or the other, and also to build better synergies within the community to be able to fight against FGM.
I'm a communications and media advocacy specialist. I'm glad to join CCOM here in Gusii on the assignment of actually training journalists and digital influencers on gender-sensitive reporting, which is actually very crucial in the narrative of ending FGM, female genital mutilation, and intimate partner violence. We believe that when we change our language, we believe that when we alter our language, we believe that through language change that can actually change our attitudes and beliefs, and that the general population may actually embrace this campaign. Today, other than learning on gender-sensitive reporting, where we learned about gender-biased language, we learned about gender-neutral language, we learned about gender-sensitive reporting. We also learned about digital advocacy, we learned about SOSTAG, which is actually basically a formula for formulating communication strategies, and we believe this will go a long way with the stakeholders who are gathered here today to shape the campaigns and make the campaigns better, and actually make the duty bearers to pay attention to this campaign and make policies that actually are not retrogressive but progressive. Having said that, we challenge the duty bearers, we challenge custodians of the cultural norms to actually take the front seat in eliminating these practices which are quite harmful.
My name is Stella Chok, the Executive Director CCOM. We are doing programs on STPD prevention, and today we had a training for our local journalists on gender-responsive reporting, so as to avoid discriminating and humanizing our survivors. In Gusii, we are addressing issues to do with FGM, intimate partner violence, and sexual violence. And as you all know, Gusii is one among the leading counties when it comes to FGM practice. We are at 77% after, according to the Kenya Demographic and Health Survey that was released recently. So that's a very high prevalence, and we have to engage all our stakeholders to ensure that the prevalence is coming down. Target young girls with ARP programs. We target parents and guardians of these girls. We target policymakers. We target the religious leaders and even community health workers. They also all those key people involved in this practice. We bring them together to a conversation to ensure that we are ending FGM. Actions are not working well, because over years we've been talking about the same awareness, and maybe the practice is the same, because the community is also innovative in the way they are doing the practice, because they're changing the trends day in, day out. So you come up with an intervention to address this, and then the community innovates